What's being generated over there in the acid can, oh my word. We're going to show you something with aluminium today. And the thing is, we've got here Coke cans and Pepsi cans as well, so that it's fair. But when Neil gave them to me, I had a look inside, and you can see there, this one has quite clearly rusted. So these Coke cans are made of aluminium, whereas the Pepsi ones are steel. That's why we can only use the Coke cans to do this next experiment. So what we're going to do with these is to show a property of aluminium and how it reacts with both acid and with base. And that means it's a substance that's amphoteric. What we're going to do is we've got a solution of sodium hydroxide, that's our base, and we've got also hydrochloric acid, and then Neil's going to put the acid in and I'll put the base in at the same time, and we're going to see what happens to the aluminium cans. Yep. Go. Oh yeah, straight away you can see the bubbling there with the base. Clearly you've got a very vigorous reaction in both cases. So what's being generated here is sodium aluminate. And what's being generated over there in the acid can, oh my word, is aluminium chloride and water. We expected reaction with both, yeah, I hadn't anticipated to be quite so vigorous. I hadn't expected it to be quite so, wow. That is brilliant. So this is obviously a very vigorous, hot reaction. You've got a lot of fumes being given off, which is a good job why we did it in the fume cupboard. You can see all that smoke being drawn up into the extraction fan. I honestly thought the acid would have done more damage. Because when you think of acid, you always associate acids as being the evil guy of the chemical world. I think those Pepsi cans have gotten off very lightly. They may have had their tops cut off, but they've met a fate far better than the Coke cans here. Good old Pepsi for making them steel. Neil, can you clean that up for us? What's left is just the plastic around the outside of the can. All the metal's been converted to sodium aluminate. And that one's still going. The acid is still eating away at that can. And again, it's just leaving behind the plastic coating. It was a really exothermic reaction. And I didn't think I would actually see a can bubbling away like that. That is just incredible, isn't it? It looks pretty disgusting.